Hi, Lou Manfredini, Aces Home Expert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a grab bar in your tub shower area. Okay, so this particular unit has 3 points of contact that you're going to use to actually apply the suction to the wall, and it's really quite strong. So you want to kind of orient this in how you want to use this. So in a perfect world, you want to be on the solid portion of the tile. So, a right angle like this works for the 2 lower ones, but on this top one, because I'm bridging the gap of the grout, I'm going to just bring this here. So I end up on the solid portion of the tile so that when I apply the suction, it really gives you great hold. So this is kind of the area that we're going to locate it at. So I'm going to remove it and I'm going to clean this tile first. I'm going to spray a little bathroom cleaner on this tile. Let that sit for a little bit, and then I'm going to wipe it away. You want to get this as clean and as dry as possible so that you get really good suction from this brace. All right, now I'm going to, again, orient this where it's going to end up on a tile. I'm going to start with this center unit right here. I'm going to place that. I'm going to place this one here, and I'm going to angle this one here. And with pressure, I'm going to push. I'm going to start with the middle, and this tab, I'm going to push down. This tab, I'm going to push and push down. And then this final one here, I'm going to really push and push down. It is amazingly strong, the kind of leverage that you get, and it's going to give you that confidence when you're in the shower to grab onto these bars to give you the stability that you need. Very simple to install, a great safety addition to your shower area. Coming up next, my video on how to install a new shower head.